In the high desert area of west central Arizona, a gold and silver exploration project is moving forward to becoming a producing mine. U.S. Metals, a wholly owned subsidiary of U.S. Corp., has taken the next step in developing its mineral claims leased from the Bureau of Land Management. The Twin Peaks project is located in the heart of the historic Eureka Mining District and is past producing gold and silver mines within its boundaries: the Crosby, the Hayes, the Swiss Bell, and the Glory Hole. One of U.S. Metals' first considerations was to create and repair a series of roads to allow access to the mineral land. Our team has made significant progress in building these roads as part of the necessary infrastructure. A representative of Geological Support Services brought his camera along to film the newly bulldozed road infrastructure that enabled drilling rigs and testing vehicles to enter the drill sites. While the cameraman may not win any awards with his camera work, here he does give an accurate glimpse of the team hard at work as they commence drilling east of the famous Crosby Mine. This drilling equipment carries 10-foot-long sticks of drill steel. The drill consists of a pipe within a pipe. Compressed air is sent down through the outer pipe to the downhole pneumatic hammer. Above the hammer, a crossover appliance allows the sample to be carried to the surface, separated from the air column by a pneumatic cyclone, and transported to the sampling station. Once at the portable station, the ore sample is dumped by the deck sampler into a Gilson splitter. This appliance divides the sample into two homogeneous samples. One sample is removed from each side. Then the deck sampler moves his pan to the sampling table, where each sample is bagged in twin sample bags and carefully tagged with vital information, such as hole number, location, and footage, as well as observation about color change. The bags are removed from the tubes, twisted and sealed with zip ties. The deck sampler then sets them in the ready area on the deck beside the splitter. Meanwhile, the ground sampler removes the other pan from the splitter, from which a small sample will be tested using the Niton PXRF for X-ray spectrometry readings of mineral content. Here, a sample is washed in a bucket of water and placed in a numbered tray for geological study, and the remainder is placed in a white rice bag numbered to correspond to the other two bagged samples. The ground sampler takes all three bags and places them in a row so that the numbers are easily visible. Under the canopy, a geologist is testing the sample using a handheld Niton PXRF X-ray spectrometer. This process will continue until each sample has been tested for comparison with the results of traditional assay methods. These samples have been sent to independent labs, and after the results are received, U.S. Metals' work is not yet finished, as the data generated must be plotted and verified. A time-consuming process, but one that, when completed, will provide a report of U.S. Metals' resource at the Twin Peaks project. We look forward to the next step in our exploration and permitting efforts to bring this property into production. In times of economic uncertainty and political change, one thing remains the same: gold.